Hello smart people, now I will show you how to create adding image to Recyclerview items, and just follow the steps and you will adding a image to the items by position. Before I continue to do this, I need you to subscribe this channel and please help me for future these channels. Okay, thank you. I will share all my experience to you with this channel. Okay, now we need the image for adding to items of Recyclerview, and you need this. You can search in Google or ads, or you have your items or your image, and now we play it. This is I add the data, you can see this. I adding the data name for name 1 2 3 4 and 8, and this is from here. I loop it for 20, and now we need the image to here. I copied it. If you have, you can copy. Okay, to drawable. Okay. You can do this to make these indexes by Android Studio. And now we create the array list of integer. Oh, this is not indexes. Okay, you need to click this. This may take some times. Now we get successful by building of indexing the image to here, and now we call it one by one. We're creating array list of data integer. This image 4. If you have more image, you can add this, but this is not a good way before when you creating the application for paper download. And in next video I will show you how to creating parse JSON to and place the URL to per items in the Recyclerview. This is just example how you can do this, creating okay, we have image of data. Now we change the loop. When the image you can count, this is only 6 image, 6 array, and this you do 20, and this is with bound exception, because this is only 6 and you play it 20. Okay, we change it to 10, and this is just copied it from here or here. Okay, we have like this. This will be same same position for adding two items. This is items, and here I have Recyclerview. When you not have this, you can watch my last video about the creating Recyclerview. And I have cart view in here for model items. You can custom your model items, and when you don't know about this, you can watch the last my videos. Okay, I just want to continue this for you all. Okay, now we need to place it to adapter. Here my adapter, and this is a list of items, the wallpaper, the tiles. Now we have an image view wallpaper in here. We just set it to here by position. Okay, this is in my model items. Okay, you can see. And now which is order wallpaper sets image resource not items get position and dot get. You have no, this is just like this. Okay, we create one object for image example. The tip data is enter, and okay, encapsulate this to get and set. Here refactor. Okay, we have this, and now adding the data. Okay, here just set 9, and we add other wallpaper details, set image, the image of this. Okay, image and position. Position is this A. The A is position. Okay, now we set this. Okay, it's very well. The image view we can adding from this will appear in here by items and by position. Okay, we continue. We edit this to, okay, we edit this Android scale type or center crop and Android. Okay, the wallpaper always have colors of background, and we need to set this to white. Okay, Android white. Okay, and to do this for download icon. Okay, and the text we change to Android white, and we change the text style to bold, and these two. Oh, my laptop suck. Like this. Name, I will create new color for name of wallpapers. Color and color, text color name. You can click by it. You just copy this and change it. Okay, so looks like this. Thanks for watching for this time, and next video I will show you how to more of completion this tutorial. You need to subscribe this and help me to share it continue to you, because without the watcher and the subscriber, this is channels is nothing. It's nothing. Thank you very much.